Come, let's make some delicious brown stew beef liver. Jamaican style, let's get to it. And this is how I serve it up. So if you want to see how I achieve this one, continue watching, and welcome to all my supporters. And for those coming for the first time, welcome as well. So here we're jumping straight into the video. This is a piece of beef liver. It's partially frozen, but I removed the membrane already. And I'm going to cut these in bite-sized pieces, rinse well with vinegar, and we'll season. First set of season we'll be using are our fresh seasons. I'm going to use bell pepper, onion, garlic, hot pepper, and onion, and a piece of thyme. We're going to wash these properly, cut according to your likings, and add that to our liver. So continue watching. So to a bigger bowl, I'm going to add our fresh season, not in any particular order, but we're going to combine the fresh ingredients with our liver, and the powder season I'll be using will be shown on the screen and also in the description box. So we're going to season this, marinate. While I'm doing this, I'm going to run you through some of the benefits and risk of eating liver. Two of the main key benefits of eating liver: you gain more energy because it's rich in vitamin B12, so it helps to fight tiredness and build red blood cell. It also strengthens our muscles, but the keynote is we should eat this in moderation. At least once or twice a week is good enough. Overdoing it will give us toxic in our body. So it's a give and take now, guys. Here I'm back, and now it's time to cook my liver. I'm going to add a bit of oil and add my liver pieces. Note, guys, you can add all the season that you use to marinate the meat. I mean the fresh seasons, or you can remove a portion for when making the sauce, as I'm doing here. So I'm just going to allow this to saute for 6 minutes. You don't need this to overcook. Overcooking your liver will be too rubbery and you can't eat it. So after 6 minutes, I'm going to add the leftover seasons and a bit of warm water. Adjust taste and adjust color. As I mentioned earlier, you can adjust your browning. So I'm going to put a bit more browning to this, and then I'm going to allow it to just simmer until we get our nice sauce. So if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so at this moment. Also put your notification bell on, and also check out my Jamaican food playlist or my Yummalicious playlist. And this is how we be serving up our liver. I've served it with caramel dumpling, some green banana, and a piece of sweet potato. This was so delicious, guys. I've been craving liver for the longest, so I decided to feed my cravings. So I hope that you will enjoy this video and you will watch full. So like, share, comment, and do subscribe for more. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.